Hello viewers, are you experiencing with the problem in Instagram login SMS send error problem? Don't worry, this problem is not happening only to you. This problem is happening to many users in Instagram. I ensure that these are not your account problem. Basically, the problem is occurring in your account due to Instagram bugs. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. First of all, go to Play Store and click on search bar. Search Instagram. Now click on Instagram. From here, uninstall your Instagram apps. After uninstalling your Instagram apps, now install again. After installing Instagram app, now try to log in your Instagram account and check problem solved successfully. If the problem is still not resolved, then try to log in after 24 hours and you will see that this problem is not occur. If you follow all these steps, I hope your problem will be solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.